Hey, have you ever wondered what really goes into writing the content you see online every day? I mean, from the catchy headlines to those in-depth articles and even the social media posts that make you stop scrolling for a second. There's a whole world behind it. And let me tell you, the game has changed. Big time. Today, I want to pull back the curtain and show you just how crucial AI tools have become for anyone in the content writing profession. Whether you're a freelancer, a marketer, or just someone who loves to write, just about ideas, AI helps me outline articles, suggest headlines, and even rewrite sentences to sound clearer or more engaging. It's like having a co-writer who's always awake, never gets tired, and somehow knows exactly what your audience wants. And here's the real magic: speed. What used to take hours now takes minutes. Imagine having a deadline in 2 hours. With AI, I can draft, edit, and polish my work faster than ever. That means more time to focus on creativity, storytelling, and honestly, just enjoying the process. But let's get real for a second. Some people worry that AI will replace writers, but in my experience, it's the opposite. AI doesn't take away the human touch, it amplifies it. It takes care of the repetitive stuff, so I can focus on what really matters: connecting with readers, sharing ideas, and making an impact. And the best part? Anyone can use these tools. You don't need to be a tech genius. If you can type, you can use AI to level up your writing. It's about working smarter, not harder. So if you're curious about how AI can transform your writing, whether you're just starting out or you're already a pro, stick around. In this workshop, I'll show you real-world examples, hands-on demos, and tips you can start using today. Because the future of content writing is here, and with AI in your toolkit, you're ready for it. Let's dive in.